of people think trading is gambling, and the truth is, depending on how you approach it, it can be. Think about the casino, for instance. People randomly trying their luck on blackjack, roulette, fruit machines, you name it. I mean, look at me now, pressing buttons. I don't even know what I'm doing. And most people don't know what they're doing. There's no consistency. But if you take the winning tournament poker table, for instance, it's always the same people at that table every night. And that's because they have a strategy, a completely different approach. See, the market is the market. It doesn't care what you do with your money. Whether you're successful as a trader or not depends on your approach. You can approach it as a gambler, where you have no expectation of the future results, or you can approach it as a professional. So if you are sick of hoping, then it's time to take it a bit more seriously and learn a professional approach. So I'm going to be running a training on how you can take the exact strategy to become a professional and stop all this gambling. Register your name below, and I look forward to seeing you at the event.